Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an invoice in Stripe. So first is head over to your Stripe dashboard and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, head over to invoices. This can be found usually at your left panel under shortcuts. So just click on it. Next is from the list of your invoices, select the specific invoice that you would like to cancel. Just a reminder that the only invoices that you can cancel are those with open or uncollectible status. So select the specific invoice. Next, click on the three dot icon, then click on change invoice status. So the only way for you to cancel an invoice on Stripe is by changing your invoice status to void or uncollectible. And as you can see, there's a note here that says this invoice will no longer be open, which technically works as the invoice being canceled. So just choose between these two statuses, whichever is more applicable. You can also add internal note, then proceed by clicking on update status. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!